couple of weeks ago, I received a letter from LOOKFANTASTIC website, and it was said in the letter that if I order my LOOKFANTASTIC calendar, I will get also a gift. This beautiful, and email promised me that it will be 200 pounds of different stuff inside. Let's unpack this whole. Buy a blender by EcoTools. This sponge should be perfect for blending liquid and cream products. And believe me or not, but this is my first blender ever, and I use foundations constantly. I was considering buying such a sponge, but you know what it's like, you always have more important things to spend money for. Okay, back to BioBlender. It is created with just 5 environmentally friendly ingredients, vegan and cruelty-free. Very soft one. Great, I'm happy with this sponge totally. Let's put it aside and see what we have next. And we got Christoph Robin Purifying Mask with Thermal Mud. Well-known and pretty expensive product, but in 40 mils size. That's definitely just a miniature to try the product and decide if I like it or not. Anti-pollution pre-wash detox treatment. It should help to balance the scalp and minimize the look of oily, greasy roots. Let's open the bottle and see what's inside, how it looks inside. Wow, it looks like mud actually, or maybe like clay. I'm pretty okay with clay-looking products. I just hope it works. And we find Ultrasun Lip Protection SPF 50. Cool products, especially in summer. So this little body should help guard the lips from sun-related damage and keep them comfortable, silky soft, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna save it till the summer is back. So next product should also be perfect for summer. And it's Bondi Sands Glow Bronze Lights. Full-size highlighting cream from Australia. So this product can be worn on the body and on the face. And of course it could be mixed with foundation to add some radiance to the look. I'm not a big fan of bronzers, but if I got one, I'll try it. Okay, I see something big there. And Wet n Wild 10 Pan Shadow Palette. That's also a full-size product. It has nice warm colors and it's called, wait a minute, Call Me Sunshine. Okay. And next we've got Philip Kingsley Bond Builder Restructuring Treatment. So Philip Kingsley products are actually one of my favorites. This one is intensive pre-shampoo treatment and it should restore existing and broken bonds. We'll see. Next. So self-tan. I have nothing to say because I don't use them actually. I know that Saint-Tropez is quite famous among self-tans, but never used. We'll try, maybe. Yeah, hope the next item would be more useful for me. Oh, wow. So Giorgio Armani and foundation testers. I actually like this color and maybe this one could actually fit me. Diving deeper and deeper. Some luxury here. Elizabeth Arden Privage Anti-Aging Daily Serum. As I understand, that's a renovated formula of their iconic serum actually. And this serum is famous for being supercharged with antioxidants and includes 10 powerful ingredients which defend from environmental assaults and help to improve aging science. Just 5 meals, not much even for trial. Anyway, I'm happy to find it. And we are moving to the next item, and it's Emma Hardy Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. I'd love to get more masks in beauty bags or in advent calendars, but there are mostly serums, sometimes creams, but not masks. This one should help improve skin's moisture, radiance and firmness. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Next hydrating product. Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum from This Works. This bottle actually is half of their full-size product and it's worth almost £20. It's pretty much for hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. And we've got Comfort Zone Re-Night Cream. It's a rich night cream with goji berry oil, hyaluronic acid and lycopene. I don't know how to pronounce that. 30 mils, half of a full-size product. I have to finish my vitamin C night cream first and then try this one. What's that? Okay, so that's something like a shower gel. It should smell oud and geranium. And the full size of this product is very expensive. And the next item is Purito B5 Panthenol Riberia Cream. This one is an amazing Korean brand. I had several full-size products from Purito and it was amazing. Just all those products were amazing. Moving to something orange, and that's Elemis Cool. I love this brand, and this one should be a moisturizing cream, a makeup primer and a highlighter all in one. Just a super brand and I highly recommend it. Last couple of items. And we've got Spotlight Highlighter Pencil from Ico. It can be used on the brow bone or in the inner corner of your eyes. The shade is quite universal, I would say. It actually looks nice in swatches and I'm going to keep it for myself. That's a full-size product worth £15 on LOOKFANTASTIC website. There is not much to say about eye pencils, so let's move to the other item. And we find Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel from Avant Skincare. Whew, that's quite a long name for cleansing gel. What can I say? Nice, expensive brand. And I think that's the last item, Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. Small version of iconic body cream. I had a pinky version of it, but this is the first time I find the original one. Anything else there? No, I think it's empty. Let's see what we've got. Quite a good catch, I think. So in the next video I plan to start opening my advent calendars. Stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.